Delete. $35.02. So we're just 10% above those lows. And let's see where we are from the high. I think 48.08 was that high. 48.08 was the high. So let's do calculate. I think 22%. 48.08 minus 38.33 divided by 48.08. So we're 20% from the highs, 10% off the lows, less than 10% off the lows. So it's like the lows came in at 35.02. So 38.33 minus 35.02 divided by 35.02. So we're about 9.5% off the lows, and we're 20% off the highs. So 9% off the lows, 20% off the highs. So just watching for the scanner to give me signals. NIO, I have a 10 lot. It's $220 a risk. Stock's down 40 cents today. These are going to go down to about 10 cents. I might take a stop loss in Tesla. I had a nice trade yesterday in Tesla. Next week, 160s. I think I'm going to get stopped on those at 230-ish. So keep an eye on Tesla. Tesla's actually up this morning. Coinbase was up this morning, and it started rolling over. Do we have a straddle for today? SPY at the money strata, at the money calls, at the money puts. So the 379 straddle, implied about a 35-point move today. So a 35-point move implied between now and the end of the day. And then we have a straddle from now and the end of the week. The straddle from now and the end of the week is about $60. So I think what I kind of concluded is I'm going to take next Thursday off. It'll be my first day all month that I'm taking off. And then, so I'll be running the room Tuesday and Wednesday. I'm going to take Thursday off. And then at the beginning of the year, we're going to do a lot of cool things, guys. We're going to start doing a lot of like contests. I'm going to do a lot of giveaways. I'm thinking about giving you guys Starbucks, free coffee and Starbucks on Monday. WDC higher. Giving away free scanners, giving away free courses, giving away free Starbucks. We like participation. We like you being here. We like you being active for being here. I feel like you guys should be rewarded for being here. So it's a lot of things we're working here on the back end. Me and some of my team will be discussing giving away some things, giving away Starbucks every week, giving away scanners every week, giving away courses every week, which will be fun and exciting, trying to make this room a little bit more interactive. So look forward to those changes at the beginning of the year. And make sure I have no webinar this week. Hey. Futures down 10.75. I was up early this morning. I got up at like 8:15 this morning, which for me is kind of early on the East Coast. 9:30 is the market open. I took Bolt Dudo to the park. We do have bonus trading tomorrow. Double bonus trading tomorrow. We have one bonus trading today. And hopefully we'll start getting some better signals too, because the signals, to be completely honest, haven't been that great. This is one of my worst years of trading in a long time. It's like everything I do is just not, like, I can't get anything right. Apple down again, another $1. I have a target stop loss of those at 350. eBay. Comcast. But you know what I wanted to do? I wanted to set this up. Let's see if I can do this real quick. And we are what they call off. Meta weekly 126s right off the bat. No, thank you. Meta weekly 126s. Meta weekly 126s. These are so far out of the money. Meta weekly 126s, guys. Meta weekly 126s. Meta weekly 126s being bought. CCL down again. Those just hit 50% profit target. CCL just hit 50% profit target. Bottom. EWZ was getting a bid this morning. Look at EWZ go, guys. Wow. EWZ from the ETF scanner, guys. EWZ from the ETF scanner. 200% profit in EWZ, guys. EWZ, 200% profit in E, the W, and the Z. EWZ from the ETF scanner, guys. 200% profit, guys. EWZ from the ETF scanner. 200% profit here, guys. EWZ, 200% profit, guys. EWZ from the ETF scanner, 200% profit. Tesla. Rhymes with Mesla. Sorry to take this off at 240. EWZ, guys, on fire here. So EWZ, ETF scanner. Weekly, 12/23/2022, 27 calls from yesterday. Up 200% profits, guys. So 200% profit, guys, in EWZ. EWZ, 200% profit, guys, yesterday. EWZ from the ETF scanner, 200% profit, guys. EWZ, 200% profit here, guys. EWZ, 200% profit. 200% profit, guys, in EWZ. EWZ, 200% profit, guys. EWZ, 200% profit. Oh, Tesla just getting destroyed. Tesla down 5. Does Elon have to sell more stock? Intel down. Medtronic higher. DraftKings higher. Coinbase higher. Bank higher. We might be this in this whoa where we just don't get a lot of signals. 5-minute bar closes here in about 2 minutes. Sound is good. EWZ profits from yesterday, guys. 200% profit overnight in EWZ. And WZ. NEO coming back here a little bit. If his low is in for the day, how high can NEO get? Let's look at that. The low is in for the day. NEO can get to 11.55. Same as yesterday. I'm going to offer some NEO calls out at 50. Now, half at a buck, just in case it rallies hard. Just in case it rallies hard. Trying to take off my Tesla next week, 160. I just sold it for 240. So out of Tesla next week, 160s, guys. Out of Tesla's next week, 160s. Tesla next week, 160s. I'm out. So exit to close. I sold the balance of Tesla. 12/30/2022. 160 calls for 260. Break even. So I'm selling these for break even, guys. Selling the balance for break even here in Tesla. So I took 50% profit target on that yesterday, and I'm selling the balance for break even. Selling the balance for break even here. Down more money in Apple. Apple down 2. SPY puts trading here. So sold some Tesla, guys. Sold some Tesla. NEO this week, 11.5. So I bought these for 22. I bought $220 worth. $220. Tesla, new 52-week low. Look for a possible reversal day, guys, in Tesla or in Apple. Reversal days are made. 5-minute bar just closed. Apple on the 5, no signal. Amazon on the 5, no signal. Bob on the 5, no signal. Tesla on the 5, no signal. Netflix on the 5, no signal. Meta, nothing. And then Google, nothing. No 5-minute bar long. Yeah, I didn't use that stop loss in NEO this week. I did not use a stop loss in NEO. I did not use a stop loss in NEO. So I still have NEO on at 22. Such a small order for me that I didn't want to use a stop loss. Such a small order. UAL getting a little bit of pop here. It's a little bit of a pop. Not much. Nothing to write home about. Have a target out. Futures bid a little bit here. WDC up a half. Look at EWZ, guys. EWZ absolutely on fire here. So EWZ absolutely on fire here. So EWZ up to 113. That hit our proprietary base ETF scanner. No 5-minute bar longs. CCL puts from yesterday hit 50% profit target. I'm still on Apple upside calls. I'm in the March 140s. I paid $7.20. They're down to $5.40. AAL next week 12.5 is being bought. No, thank you. In the money calls it AAL. Today could be one of those days where we're like, just don't get many signals. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You know, Apple could possibly reverse, be up on the day. Lucid trading here, nothing to do in Lucid. Lucid, nothing to do. Bum, 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 ba-na-na-na-na-na. Hey, 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 hey. AMRS March 3 is being bought again. AMS March 3 is being bought here. AMRS 3 is being bought here. Looks like we're getting a little bit of buying pressure into the market. Took off some Tesla from yesterday. Took off half for 50% profit, taking another half off for break even. Bank of America up a half. Wells Fargo is going to have like a $3 billion or something like write down or something. So far, no signals, guys. Nothing on day trade, nothing on penny spec, nothing moonshots, nothing on option hacker, nothing on short, nothing on ETF, nothing on super options. Best signal from yesterday, EWZ calls up about 250% profit. EWZ calls up about 250% profit. MSOS next week 7.5. Interesting. I'm not going to take these. MSOS next week 7.5. MSOS next week 7.5, guys. MSOS next week 7.5. MSOS next week 7.5. MSOS next week 7.5. MSOS next week 7.5. ETF, guys, not hitting my ETF scanner. MSOS, this is the marijuana ETF, exchange traded fund. 50 cent. So Apple, I'm logging 88 deltas. So every dollar goes down, I lose 88 bucks. Every dollar goes up, I make 88 bucks. You can always look at your delta to figure out how much you can make if the stock moves up or down. AFRM calls are going to go to 0. I hate you, AFRM. Never trade you ever again. Oh, I was going to put my Baroque music on. 42 minutes, the longest we've ever gone without a signal. Sold some Mesla calls. All I've done. All right, we got our Baroque going. It's kind of loud. Macy's puts from last week. Nice trading. 35 SPY straddle, so at the money it calls, at the money puts. We have a straddle that expires today. It always shows us how much the market can move. We're looking at a $3 move here in the SPY, guys. There's a 30-point move in the S&P 500 futures. And I'm expecting a lot of good activity at the beginning of next year. I'm expecting a lot of good trades at the beginning of next year. So get fired up for the new year. Whatever happened this year, wash your hands with it. It's over. You can't change the past. You can't predict the future. You got to live in the present, as they say. I can't be mad about my WBA, my Tesla, my Schlumberger. Just got to trade the market that's in front of me. LIT trading here. Lithium battery ETF. Okay. No, thank you. Futures go whack. Futures on 16. FORG January 25 is trading here. FORG Jan 25 is trading 40 cents. FORG Jan 25 is trading 40 cents. No, thank you. 500 lot being sold. I expect the first signal that hits the scanner to be a good one. Macy's puts from last week, nice trading. EWZ, nice little pop there. Remember, they're buying the EWZ. That is the Brazilian ETF, the 27s. Those traded up to 130-ish. Let me see, 113, I think. So EWZ 127s. I'm so excited. I don't know about anybody else. I'm excited to get this year over with. Give me a fresh start on my trading and my P&L. 113 they traded up to. AYVA trading here. Nothing doing that one. 15 minutes in, no signals. 15 minutes in and no signals. Futures on 18. We have just gone straight down since Powell spoke. Since Powell has spoke, the S&P has gone from what, 4,200? Let's look exactly where he was. PDD, guys. Penny spike, guys. I like these here in PDD. PDD next week, 95s. PDD next week, 95s. PDD next week, 95s. I like these here, guys. PDD next week, 95s trading here, guys. PDD from our penny spike scanner trading 35 cents. PDD next week, 95 calls, guys. So penny spike. Fire, PDD, 12/30/2022. 95 calls, 35 cents, guys. PDD on the penny spike scanner. PDD, I like the signal here a lot. I think my account is restricted because I was day trading yesterday. Thinkorswim's mad at me right now. PDD, guys, 95s for next week, guys. PDD 95s for next week. I like the signal here in PDD. It's at a nice ATR. You get 9 trading days for 35 cents in PDD, guys. PDD, if the low is in for the day, can stock and get up to 88.65. PDD next week. Calls are up to 38 cents already in PDD. So one trade here on our penny spike scanner in PDD. PDD calls being bought, guys. PDD calls being bought. I like this one. Market is weak again. 35 cents. 35 cents. Up to 42. Here they go. Oh my God, Stitch Fix is $3. Futures on 22. Low of the session in the market. We were lower pre-market. HBI trading here. WDC getting a decent bid here. That's interesting. PDD up to 40. Only thing that's hit the tape so far today. Could not get into PDD. Yeah, PDD on fire here. I would say if you can't get into the scanners, a lot of people add the scanners. 35 cents was the signal. Look at them go up to 48, guys. PDD up to 48 now. Bid. If you got in at 35, if you want to take first target at 52, you can. So PDD, you got in, if you got in at 35, if you want to use first target at 52, you can. Or you can take it right off of the standard deviation ATR, which is about up $1. Nike has earnings this week. All I've done is take off Tesla calls. I couldn't get into PDD because Thinkorswim's mad at me for day trading yesterday. It's like, AK, you're not allowed to day trade. I'm sorry. Baidu, March 20 calls, 120 calls, trading here, 745. No, thank you. 10 scanners, 1 signal, guys. 10 scanners, 1 signal. Futures on the lows. Futures on the lows. Neo. Oh, Neo back. Still in Neo. Got in at 22. Roku's 52-week low. Twilio, lower. PDD up to 48. Look at PDD go, guys. Wow, what a signal in PDD. 26% profit. Great trading. Sean. Sean, is that how you said? PDD, guys, huge profits here. PDD, huge profits today. 1 signal, 1 winner. They're up to 50 cents. So we got in filled when they hit our scanner. Don't be chasing, but you could have got filled at 35 cents. I wrote market color. I said, I love this signal in PDD. Reward to risk. Love it. ATR is $4 a day. PDD, guys. PDD. Yes, sir. That's right. Only thing has hit so far today. Amazon stock's down 50% year to date. 52-week low. Second worst of the FANG names. Amazon had the most buy of any stock analyst out there, I think, all year. That's why you can't trust these stock analyst people. PDD, great trading, Don. 25% profit. That's right. CI, JN195 is trading here, nothing. Let's add PDD down here. Only 1 signal so far today. Only 1 signal today. Neo's holding up decently here. Neo's only down 5 cents. Craig, 25% profit. Great trading. At the beginning of next year, guys, we're going to do so many cool things. I can't even explain how excited I am for next year. We're going to be doing a lot more giveaways. It's going to look something weird like this. It might be like Monday we'll do a giveaway. I'll give $50 of Starbucks away. Tuesday, free scanner. Wednesday, free course. Thursday might be, I don't know. We're doing a scanner, a course, Starbucks, and something else. So starting next year, guys are excited for next year. Get this year out of the way. Wash your hands with this year, and then let's start firing on all cylinders next year together. AAL on a day trade, I'm not taking it. AAL 12.5 trading 19 cents. AAL on the day trade, I'm not taking it, guys. There goes PDD, 50% profit, guys. AAL 12.5 trading here, 19 cents. I am not taking it. If you want to take it, you can. Oh, yeah, I'll just be giving away money. Day trade, we're going to be giving away Starbucks, I think. Buyer of AAL, 12/23/2022, 12.5 calls, 19 cents, guys, in AAL. AAL, guys, day trade. PDD up to 55 cents. PDD 60% profit right now. QSR 60 puts trading here. Look at PDD go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Wow. Plugged, 52-week low. Whoop, whoop, whoop. PDD 55. AAL was a day trade. I'm not taking that day trade. With a small ATR. I am not taking this day trade. So AAL, no thank you. AAL, no thank you. No 5-minute bar longs. 2 signals today, AAL and PDD. PDD got up to 55. You want to take out PDD early? That's on your own discretion. If you have money, you're profitable, you want to move to the sidelines, you can totally do that. Meta, more meta calls being bought, guys. They're buying a lot of meta this week calls. I don't know why. The 125s have traded 18,000. Wow. $0.13. They're $12 out of the money. $12 out of the money here, guys. $12 out of the money. $12 out of the money here. $12 out of the money. GLD ripping. CCL puts from yesterday, 50% profit. Amazon puts from yesterday, almost 100% profit. 30-point move implied between now and the end of the day. So the futures could either be down 45 or up 15. If we have a reversal day where we're on the lows and we close on the highs, I think the short-term bottom for the end of the year is over. So I'd be looking for that, guys. So if for some reason we reverse and close on the highs, we could. LW trading here, no thank you. PDD 40% profit, great trading, Curtis. PDD up to 60. Wow. PDD up to 60. PDD about to go up on the day. Penny spike, guys. Put that in your basket. If you see PDD hit again, you want to take PDD. Mentally put that down. PDD, guys. PDD. If you see a hit, you're going to want to take that trade. Going to want to take PDD, guys. Futures bid. Tesla only down 2. Apple rallying back here. It's a rally in the alley right now. Celebration. UWMC trading here. AAL, if you took Mark S, 50% profit, great trading. If you guys took AAL at 19, your profit target's going to be 25 and 50%. When you're day trading, you want to take profits at 25 and 50%. When you're swing trading, you want to take profits at 50 and 100%. So day trades only take anything you take off 25 and 50%. PDD, if you got it at 35, 52, and 70, could be your targets. If we have a reversal and close on the highs, I think the short-term bottom is in for the year. Mesla, higher. Apple rallying back. TH puts trading here. 5-minute bar here in the S&P. We've now rallied 20 points from the lows. And it looks like there's a buyer in the market. Tesla only down $1.70. Valley trading here. Oh, where's my trade exchange? I want to get that up. Trade exchange. Gives me all my news. Squawk, right? Or do I want Squawk or News Desk? Member login. Access News Desk. MSOS calls trading here. Apple is looking to add gyroscopes to Apple AR, giving continuous. Market bounce off the lows. No specific headline. AMD high of the day. Mesla. Neo still in it, guys. Neo, great profits, guys. Neo, I'm still in it. 50 and a buck on that trade in Tesla. SoFi, 5 calls trading here. WDC up 70 cents. FRPT trading here. No thank you. No thank you. 30 minutes in, 2 signals. Apple, AAL, sorry, not Apple. AAL winner. And Norwegian calls being bought. And PDD, guys. PDD is up almost 100%. PDD is up almost 100%, guys. Futures up on the day. That's right. AK, I like it like that. PBR trading here. Meh. Meh. HL trading here. Is the low end for Apple. Some guy said it was going 100 bucks. Come on, Neil, get up to 1150. PDD. Wow, look at PDD go, guys. 65 cents. PDD almost hitting 100% profit target, guys. PDD almost hitting 100% profit target in PDD. Said I like that one. PDD, guys. Futures up on the day. EWZ from the ETF scanner, guys. 250% profit overnight. PDD, 100% profit, guys. Profit target hit, guys, in PDD. This is what I'm expecting to get. 100% profit targets in an hour, guys. 100%, guys, in PDD. 100% in PDD, guys. You can take them off here if you want. If you want to let it ride, try to get more profits, you can too. Neo, I have a target. I'm kind of expanding my targets here. So Neo, I have a target at 50 and a buck. If you wanted to use 50 and 100% targets, You could would be 33 and 44. I only bought 10 of them. Tesla's going to go up on the day, I feel like. Apple's going to go up on the day. Futures up 5. Coinbase, the Eurozone, consumer confidence. Coinbase and Binance enjoy market share gains after FTX. I'm always long Coinbase and structured notes. PDD, 68 cents. Jets, puts trading here. I'm actually long structured notes in JetBlue. That thing's a dog. Apple, dot size on a buck. I'm long 88 deltas, $88. EA, I'm long calls. I won the 125s in January. I bought some SE calls a while ago. FUTU trading here, nothing doing that one. Yeah, PDD, if you want, you can take the trade off, take those profits and run. Still a little bit more bullish than I am bearish. PDD, 100% profit, guys, from the penny spike scanner. One signal, one winner. Penny spike scanner, guys. Next week, 95s, 35. You can see on the top right, I have those up in here. 70 cents, 100%. AAL, your profit targets would be 24 and 28 if you took that day trade. EPD, January 23, puts means sold. Sold. Apple underperforming. Tesla underperforming. $33 minutes in, 2 signals, 2 winners. This is what we like to see. Neo bid. Look at her go, Lucy. I might lower my Neo here to 45. Neo can get up to 11.58. It's got 12 more cents to the upside on a 50 delta. So 12 cents on a 50 delta. 6 cents higher. I'm going to put my first. There are about a ton of Snapchat calls. I'm going to make a first target now 45 in Neo. 45 and 95. Ooh. Snapchat, they're getting calls out of control here, guys. Neo, wow. 45 and 95 now. 45 and 95. Neo, guys, if you're in Neo, if you want to take off profits, you can. 22 to 36, about 60% profit overnight, guys. So Neo, 60% profit overnight. Great trading. Snapchat, they're buying the January 9.5s. Let me see which ones they're buying. January 27th, 9 calls. They bought 10,000 of these. January 27th, 9 calls. Did not hit any scanners. Buyer of Snap 1/27/2023. 9 calls. 4.55 cents. 54, 55 around that level, guys. About to hit a target in Neo, guys, at 45. Ooh. Neo, I have a target at 45 on half my order, 95 on the other half. So I use that standard deviation ATR and ATR instead. We're right hitting our standard deviation ATR right now. Look at that go in Neo, guys. Low of the day plus the ATR here in Neo. So 45 and 95 here in Neo. Look at, no, that hit the ATR. I apologize. Neo hit the ATR. Neo hitting the ATR here. Neo hitting the ATR. Futures up 7 1/4. Apple really not responding here. W Wayfair weak. So Snapchat did not hit any of my scanners. Neo have a target here, close to getting filled, 45 and 95. More snap trading here. High of the day, Neo's 41. Do 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 do. No 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 no. Close on everything. Neo 52% profit. Great trading. LI trading here, nothing new in LI. LI trading here, nothing new in LI. Hasbro, 57.5, trading here, 275. Hasbro. Hasbro calls being bought, guys. Hasbro. H-A-S. Did not hit any of my scanners. February, 57.5, trading here in Hasbro. So far, AAL. Come on, Neo. BX calls. Puts being sold in BX. That's an order. I mean, the 70 puts in BX. This is bullish activity in BX, guys. So BX, we don't have a put scanner. Actually, volume's less than open interest, so I don't care as much. Volume less than open interest, so I care less on that. Neo making another run at it. Neo is down 40 cents this morning. He's now up 50 cents. GDX trading here. GDX calls trading here. ETF scanner, guys. GDX, end of the year 30s. If you're bullish on gold, we just got a signal in it. You've got to be bullish on gold to take this, guys. You have to be bullish on gold to take this. So this is from the ETF scanner. ETF scanner, buyer of GDX next week. 30 calls for 25 cents. So you got to be bullish gold to take this. Don't just take it just because it hits one of our scanners. You got to put a little bit of your trading analysis paralysis in that trade. So GDX, guys. GDX. So get a daily chart. ATR of 95 cents a day. Standard deviation ATR 27 cents a day. So we have an ATR and a standard deviation ATR. So it moves $1, those will double in value. If it moves $1, those will double in value. So 25 cents. Snapchat, January weeklies, 8.5 to 9 are active for the January 27, 2022. Boom, 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 boom. Wells Fargo puts trading here. Day trade, no thank you. And penny spike. I probably wouldn't take these guys. Wells Fargo puts. Wells Fargo had news. I don't like to take stocks that have news. It's also traded 6 million shares. Wells Fargo, 41 puts, guys. If you take these, they hit at 17, actually. So they're actually already up in value. Those move too much, but penny spike, buyer of Wells Fargo, 12/23, 2022, 41 puts for 17 cents. They hit at 17. Probably can't get in here at 17, but they hit here at 17 cents, $17 per one lot, guys, in Wells Fargo. So these did hit at 17 cents. I just call it what price they hit at. I can't control that pricing. You can get them at 17 right now, basically. So it looks like you can't get them at 17. If you're bearish Wells Fargo, bearish the market. So now we do the other way. Say if the high is in for the day, how low can Wells Fargo get? So Wells Fargo can get down to, it's had a nice downward move here. 41.43 would be the downside target. 41.43 would be the downside target. The downside target would be 41.43. That is the high of the day minus the ATR. High of the day minus the ATR. So we have low of the day plus ATR. High of the day minus the ATR. I love when I get Christmas cards when I don't know the people. Thank you for the Christmas card. I don't know who you are. Let's stop the recording here in a second. EXAS trading here. No, thank you. Futures beat. Coinbase up $1. I had not sold any NEO, so I had NEO at 45. It did not get that high. They're worth 30 now. Just nice bid here. GLD up $3. AAL, I'd punt. I'd say, hey, that trade's over. AAL, I'd be punting here, guys. So AAL, I'd be punting here. Let's be like, hey, no thank you. I'm over with this trade. So AAL, I'd be punting here. It's supposed to rain all day. You know you're going through a recession when AK is driving do you want to know a car? So my McLaren got hit. So I am driving a Mitsubishi. I don't even know what car it is. Let's see what car I'm driving. Whatever the smallest Mitsubishi is. I have a rent-a-car because my car got hit. I'm driving a Mirage. $17,000 car. So right now I'm driving a Mirage around. POS? Where do you see POS? Hold on, give me a second here.